Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely delicious and affordable lamb shoulder steak. Now, lamb can be a pricey cut of meat depending upon what cut you get, but this lamb shoulder steak is $7.49 per pound. These two steaks are 1.4 pounds, so it cost me a total of $8.77, which is very economical. First, I'm washing my meat as I always do. You can see the nice fat cap on the side and the round bone that it has. There's also some nice fat marbling throughout the steak, so it's very tender and delicious. So now that it's washed, I'm going to dry it off and add my seasonings. I'm using Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and some sea salt. And some oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. And I'm also adding liquid smoke. So Cajun seasoning is for its nice flavor. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of smoked sea salt also for flavor, but you can use any salt that you like. I like smoked paprika for the same reason that I use liquid smoke. I like the smoky flavor when I'm cooking meat indoors and not on an outdoor charcoal grill. So I add a little oil just to help me rub my seasonings on both sides of the steak. You can do this step and let your meat rest to season and tenderize for several minutes, but I'm cooking mine pretty much instantly and it's still delicious. So I'm adding a little bit of oil to my pan that is on medium-high heat. I like my steaks cooked medium, so I'm going to get a nice sear on the outside and some nice juicy pinkness on the inside. Here's a splatter guard. You can buy this silicone guard on Amazon. There's a link in my description below. And after a few minutes, look at how tender and juicy and beautiful these steaks look. So I'm just going to use my tongs to make sure that I get all sides of the steak cooked, not just the top and bottom, but the actual sides as well. This meat comes together quickly, and it's a nice variation from the usual beef steak we may cook. So if you haven't tried lamb before because you didn't want to waste money on an expensive cut, definitely try out this lamb shoulder steak and see how delicious and tasty it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.